Get your hand off your mate's cock and get the fuck up here, mate.
Get up here, do a pooing, and then fucking do a fucking...
He's keen, he's keen, he's keen. The quickest way is probably that way. Probably that way. You're not going to get past those two. Go that way, go on, go that way. Hurry up, everyone's waiting for you. Shit, you want to do a shoe? Do your own shoey, mate. Just, yeah, fine. Whatever. Alright, we got the biggest, fattest cunt in the room to do a fucking stage dive. Hold on, alright. There we go. This sounds shit!